Now let's look at another example of reporting. Navigating back to the Verify History search, I can modify my search to look for different criteria or compound different information. In this example, I'm still looking at original called party 1497, being any call that went to extension 1497, regardless of whether it was answered or not answered. For example, I may want to look at calls over a certain duration. I can easily use the search criteria, scroll through the available options, but also key in what I'm looking for. In this case, I'm looking for duration. By just typing in the word duration, it's going to bring me up all available search criteria that has duration in the title. To add or compound my search, I simply select duration, click the add button, and enter the duration that I'm looking for. Off to the left, I can choose from various options such as equals, less than, or equal to. So let's use the example of looking at all calls to extension 1497 greater than 5 seconds. I'll simply type in 5, choose the greater than or equal to, and click View Results. The screen will then output all results to my extension 1497 greater than or equal to a duration of 5 seconds. Verify also supports wildcard searching. For example, if I don't know the full number that I'm looking for, or I have part of the number, you can also enter wildcards. Wildcards are capital X's. In this example, I'm going to remove my 5-second call duration filter and just search for all calls to a 4-digit number. By entering 4 capital X's and keeping my value as equals, this will bring back all calls that went to a 4-digit number. This could be very useful when trying to determine internal calling as well as external calling. By simply changing my search to search for, let's say, a 10-digit number, I'm isolating all calls to a 10-digit number, and in my environment, that would be an outbound call. Now I'm displaying all calls that went to a 10-digit number. Another common request is how do we search for calls that went to a particular phone number, regardless of whether it was inbound or outbound? Very simply, we use the Verify searching capability and select combination fields. In this example, I'm going to remove the original called party number filter because I want to search for all calls, regardless of whether it came in or went out. I remove the filter, simply use my search criteria dropdown, and type in the word number. Within the call detail, there are various fields that contain the word number. As I scroll through here, we flow in the way a call flows, starting with where it originated, to where the call went to, and ultimately to where this call leg terminated. In this example, I want to search for any call, inbound or outbound, to a particular number. For that, we utilize the combination fields of calling, original, or final called party number. This will bring back results for any call, regardless of the flow of the call, whether it was answered, transferred, forward, or rerouted. In this case, I'll search for this 757-477-1234 and continue to use my equals. As we can see, we have our 757-477-1234 number, and that will appear regardless of whether the call was inbound or outbound. I can then export my results and have a nice report that details all of the calls to that particular phone number. I hope this tutorial was helpful to get started running your first report. There's a lot of search criteria available and summary options available within the reports. We urge everybody to play with those options, but also visit our webinars channel to learn more in depth on building specific types of reports that may meet your organizational needs.